Hello everyone, welcome back to the weekend video. We try to find some range for EU, UCAD, and pound dollars. I'm going to put everything in one video. So now let's go to the euro dollars. So we should have the resistance at right at 1950 and 1988. That's our up about, and low about should be it would break the 1832, which is the 2.618, it should get down to 4.236, which is the 1650. That's our lowest target. But before it get there, it should stop right between the two extension, which is the 1725, 1750. Is is going to get down here. It's just how it get down there is very important. Make sure you watch for how it get down there because let me put on 1 hour charts and tell you what I mean. Let me close this. I just want to show you what I mean by how it get there. So you can see it's coming down really hard right here on firm C, and then pulling back is like 5%, and it's come down hard another one and pulling up like about 20%, and then it's slowing down. This new low is so little, and it pulling up 100%. It looked like buyer coming in. You can see big green candle there too. But all of a sudden, the speaker came out and speak about the rate hike again, and another push down, pulling up like 40%. So now pulling up like about 40%. Now this is what we want to see. Let me move it up. It's going to get here 1750, 1725. But how it get there is very important. If it make new low and pulling up 70% and another new low and pulling up another 70%, like the same process of like going down but pulling up at like 70-80%, that's telling you that the support getting in, and we might see the 1950 very soon. So remember, it's get there. It's going to be where it's supposed to be, but how it's get there is more important than the place that is going to be there. So keep that in mind and watch the price action on 1 hour chart to see how it's get there. Okay, so we have range 1988, the lowest as low as 1650, but 1725 should be in place. So dollar CAD is our next pair. It's very interesting. Let me put it on 4 hour chart. Then I'll show you. Let me see. This is where the big old red candle is right here. We should have some seller coming in like 2650 right here at the 2500, and it's almost there. So we should see some pullback from 2500. If it breaks 2500, we're going to see the 2650, but that's where the seller really come in. So we're going to see a big fight between dollar CAD and between dollar and Canadian and CAD, because fundamentally they pretty compatible. So I expect it to have a good range after it hit 2650. So watch out for 2650. That's where you can come in and short at the dollar CAD, and make sure you watch for the like 1 hour chart to see how it's react from that 2650. This is where the seller come in to push everything down. So watch out for that. So we have the lower range for CAD next week should be the seller area, but buyer area that couldn't get down, which is the 2325. The low about should be 2325, and up about should be 2650, and 2500 should be next resistance right here, and then the hardcore resistance should be the 2650. So that's for dollar CAD, and now we go to the pound dollars. Pound dollars is more interesting. It's because Bank of England is coming up, and it broke the 2.618. So the next target should be 4.236, which is the 3650. But before it get there, as always, it had to hit the middle. So shoot, let me move the chart up here a little bit. So before it get to the 3650, it should stop at right here. 37.42, 37.50 right here, which is the Fibonacci on Friday too. So it's pretty consistent. But the upper bound should be right here somewhere like about 3900. I had the sale area all the way to the 3950. It never get there, but it's pretty close. That's why I canceled that area. So this is 3900 should be the area to sell before firm C. It would get there first because before it's coming down to the 3750 or 3700. So that's what we have for PAL. I'm really do a tutorial on how to spot the money spot, just like the last three meeting. We score really good on last three meeting. Canada meeting and ECB firm C, we did all good. Firm C we did good, but we didn't like cash everything. So very bad. Firm C is a bad, very good trade. Turn out really bad trade. So good luck trading, guys. That's what the range for this week. But I'm going to do the setup for buy and sell setup every single day and tell you exactly how and why I have a buy or sell order. And I'm going to do the post analysis after a loss too, so then you can tell how I do it. I keep track of everything. I have my notes, I have everything. That's why certain area I know exactly. I just open my book and I know exactly what happened at that area. So that's what I'm going to do for uh, at least a month. So then those people that want to do, want to be better at trading, you have to keep track of everything. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next video. Bye now.